Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Sling TV and start streaming your favorite channels, follow these step-by-step instructions for a complete registration. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Sling TV website. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button displayed prominently on the homepage. Step 2. Choose your preferred Sling TV package from the available options such as Sling Orange, Sling Blue, or the combined orange and blue package based on your viewing needs. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your new Sling TV account. Make sure to use a valid email you can access. Step 4. Provide your billing information, including credit card details or PayPal account, to complete the subscription process. Step 5. Review your selected package, add-ons, and total monthly cost before confirming your subscription. Step 6. Complete the registration by agreeing to the terms of service and clicking the Subscribe or Complete button. Step 7. Download the Sling TV app on your preferred devices such as smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Step 8. Log in with your new credentials and start enjoying live TV and on-demand content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.